do an unboxing of the Nearpow Multifunctional Laptop Desk. I ordered this for Trevor since he is going to be having surgery, and I figured it would help him watch YouTube videos and work and do whatever else he needs to do in a lounging position. So I ordered this on Amazon, and I'll link below. It comes in one piece. This is so exciting. Well packaged. Little clamps. These are to adjust. And it comes with 4 little rubber stoppers. It asks me if I'm happy with this product. On one side it says happy. And then on the other side, it says what to do if you're unhappy. Okay, unfold table legs as the figure shows. Okay. Adjust the table height. Keep pressing the button and adjust the table leg, this button here, to the height. Okay, that's fun. And so you definitely don't want to use this on a regular tabletop unless you put little felt feet, because it looks like it has the potential to scratch. I'm assuming it's level. Okay. Pull the clamp on both table legs to adjust the table angle, and then pull the clamp back to make it steady. Okay, so this locks it. I just, no, that did it. Okay. So that's it. If you can see this, it has these little adjustable pegs. So if he wants to put a mouse here, he can, or a laptop. He can put it in any configuration that he wants, and that should help keep things from sliding off. And then this is just an extra ledge. Oh, this is soft, so if you use a mouse, it won't hurt your wrist. And then this is to keep your laptop from falling. And that is it. Overall, pretty sturdy. We ordered the larger size. I figured if he had blankets around him, that would give him enough space and not press on him. His whole hip, leg area is very, very sensitive. Okay, let's see how it works.
That's perfect.
How's that?
It's perfect.
Okay.
Good job. Oh look, it's on YouTube.
Yeah. Is that better than the pillow?
Yes.
Is it high enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's perfect. Good job.
All right.
Nearpow. Love it.
All right. You want to turn around and give it a 2 thumbs up?
I give it 1 thumbs up. I can't do 2. Maybe you can see it.
You can't get the other thumb?